Here you go.
All right, we're going to do a top cover adjustment and installation. Apparently a lot of people have issue with this because Galils are not like AKs. Rear sight is back here, and if this top cover wobbles, it goes here. Your bullet's point of impact changes accordingly. So what we're going to do is we're going to show people how to adjust this. It does not involve a grinder across the back strap or on the top back of the receiver. Big hammer, as you can see. You can loosen these by hitting it center and on either side if it's too tight. Once it drops in easily, find you a block of wood, tap it one time in the center to tighten it back up. So here we go. We're going to loosen this up. Make sure this fits real easy. See how that just drops in? All right, that's too loose. It will not repeat on the sights. So basically what you need is, like I said, a hammer, block of wood, step over here, just in the center, little tap, check it, and now it don't quite fit. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to hold it, make sure it's slotted at the front, right along this heel of your hand, and do that. If that's how tight it is, that's perfect. Take it off. Now, for all you guys who ship you a rifle, it's all together, you take it apart and you cannot get it back together. Here's the trick. Op rod in front of the trunnion, not in the groove. Stable surface, slot it. Okay. Hands under the mag well, thumb on the top, squeeze right on that corner. See where it popped in? Take your right hand under the stock, thumb to the side of the hole, unless you like a purple thumb. Grab your charging handle, and there's your op rod poking straight through. Okay, hope this helps. Anybody got any questions? We'll try to do another video. Thanks.